Hello everyone and welcome back to the cabin. It's Saturday, June 5th here at the cabin, and it is just an amazing day today. Check this out. The temperature is showing, let's see here, about 75 degrees. I hope you can see that. Let's take a walk over here and check out the potatoes and raspberry plants. Here's the potato plants. On closer inspection, we got some growing right here. We got some growing right here and right here. Looks like we got some growing here too. Yep, there's one poking up. There's several there. That is one of my big potatoes, so I'm happy with that. I bet we got some right here. Yeah, there should be one right in here, but it's not coming up yet. There should be one right here, not coming up yet. We got some poking up right here. Got one poking up right there. So we got a few plants starting. That's good. Looks like I'm gonna get some potatoes this year. That's the plant I planted last week. This one I planted a year ago, so it's coming along real good. Then I planted last week. Then a year ago, that's coming along real well. Last week, I don't think it's gonna do anything, but we'll just leave it there. Then this was a year ago also. That was a year ago. I think that one's dead because there's nothing at all coming. Then here's the ones I planted a year ago and a couple years ago. And there's a lot happening here. Well, we even got one way out here growing. Must be from one of these two plants, I'm assuming. Or this one that I planted 2 years ago. So these ones on the end are growing like crazy here. So that's good. They're well established. They were planted 2 years ago. This looks, I believe, is a brand new one this year. And it's got the biggest leaves so far. Strawberry plants. That one didn't make it, and these ones over here didn't survive either. Oh well, that happens. Looks like that one survived. I'll need to dig out the moss around it. But these ones from 2 years ago are looking really good this year. Hopefully they produce big strawberries this year. Well, I'm pleased how my little garden is growing this year. Let's go ahead and get started on some projects. Last fall I put these here to keep snow from going in under my cabin and getting things wet under there. But now, since there's no snow to pile up against it, when the wind blows they make a lot of noise like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, move these two pieces of metal to over behind the generator shed. Hopefully that stops the noise. Okay, I got them moved. Let's go over and look at how I put them. I decided to lay them down to hopefully kill some of the ferns and stuff underneath them, and plus I got the one piece out there just on the freak chance that there's any sparks coming out of my generator hole. So the generator hole right there is where the exhaust comes out. I've never had an issue with it, but just in case, I'm gonna leave these laid like this. One more job done, on to the next. It's mid-afternoon right now here at the cabin, and you can see the weather's definitely changing. There's a lot of really dark clouds moving in, and there's even thunder. So I think it's gonna start raining here a little bit later. I doubt the camera is picking it up, but you can see it raining way down there, right down past these couple dead spruce trees. It's coming down pretty good out there. So, and every once in a while I can feel a drop of rain hitting me, so I know it's definitely the rain's definitely coming. Off to this side, it's all getting dark blue, or dark gray, I mean. So the rain's coming. It's gonna start raining here before long. I had this wind chime hanging up a winter or two ago, but the winds blew it down, so I'm gonna go ahead and rehang it. It was hanging right up here. Oops. It was hanging right up there on a screw. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and hang it back up there. I got this wind chime from a co-worker who, I believe she bought it specifically for me out here at the cabin. It was very nice of her. So I definitely want to get it put back up. Okay. That's installed and it should stay there this time. Last time I just had it hooked over top of the screw. This time I have the screw going through the little hole at the bottom of the hook, so it should stay there. Another project done. Let's move on to something else. Another weekend has come to an end. It's time to head back to town. I'm not too happy because it's just absolutely beautiful out here at the moment, but it is what it is. So until next time, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Thank you.